Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. Today's video we are not outside, but we're actually inside my warm office. And in today's video we're going to go over my YouTube channel, The Life of Smokey, how much I make a month, money, how much did it make last year, and also the BMW GS videos, how much they actually made me. Yeah, so you guys know what's possible if you want to make that content yourself and get a few bucks in your pocket. So without any further ado, we're just going to jump into my channel analytics. Yeah, and right off the bat, you can see already 1,729.30 euros. Yeah, that is what I made on the channel in the last 28 days. Now, my channel also got 1.8 million views, mostly because of the ECMA stuff.
Smokey is the best.
And the new BMW 1300 GS. Thank you, BMW, for that. So that was actually like my first experience with a world premiere, getting a motorcycle really fast. Also one of the most popular motorcycles in the world. So like I said, I did 1.8 million views, 0.2 more than usual. I had 41,500 hours of watch time, which is a lot. 3,600 subscribers, all in the last 28 days. And that made me 1,729.30 euros. That is good, I can't complain about that. But as you can tell right here, these are average day income. So let's, for example, say November 11th, that Saturday, I was just playing soccer with my kid. I was at soccer practice at a soccer match. He won 12-0, did good. I made 128 euros. I did absolutely nothing. I was at soccer practice with my kid. So that's the cool part about YouTube. You make some videos and the money just keeps on coming. And of course, your hard work paid off. Publishing more helped your channel get 259% more views than usual. It wasn't really that I did more work, I just published like better videos. I spent a lot more time on it. You guys noticed that, right? Thank you very much. So yet again, thank you for liking, sharing my videos. Loved it. And that's actually finally starting to pay for my bills. Only 1,729 euros a month. Yeah, I mean, after taxes and paying for all of my bills, fuel that goes into the motorcycles, driving my car with my trailer to motorcycle shops, picking them up, dealers, importers, bringing them back, spending the time editing, 1,700 is gonna get me broke. That is a fact. But anyway, the last 90 days, it changes a lot. You see that? Bam! It changes to 6,620 euros. Everything and the percentages is like absolutely bonkers, because at this point is where I did the world premiere of the BMW GS, and I will show you the maximum that I made in that single day was 288 euros and 91 cents in a single day. And this is, of course, this is the world premiere. You can see it right here, the world premiere video, the first one that I uploaded. I was actually the first one on YouTube in the world that could upload the brand new BMW GS. I was the first one, so yeah, that's a big spike in the agenda right there. So that made me 288 euros on that Saturday as well. After that, of course, the channel goes back down, and here I did the first dealer review, so standing next to the bike where I had a little bit more time. Yet again, I did very good on that one, 253 euros, 170. So you see, that's the spikes when you upload a good amount of nice videos. And here I took it actually for a test ride. So all in all, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, 188. So in the last 90 days, thank you again BMW, I made 6,620 euros. I gained 11,800 subscribers. Most of them are BMW fans. So I think I gotta make a little bit more BMW content. So yeah, the last 90 days, 4.6 million views. That is a lot. That is a lot. And of course, let's check it a little bit bigger. Let's check 2023. So for all of this year until today, look at that. This is actually the BMW stuff. The total of my channel this year made me 14,856 euros. And I uploaded like one video a week. The last couple of weeks, I made like 2 videos a week. But for that, it's just 1 video a week. Motovlogging, riding my motorcycle. I was not reviewing the latest bike just yet, maybe in the start of the year, but this year I decided to do a little bit more of the motorcycle review stuff. So yeah, if you compare this with 2022, I made 9,000. I'm not really sure what happened here, what I did over here, but I think it was something with my Suzuki Jimny. This was my Suzuki Jimny versus the Dodge Ram TRX video. That also did like 1 million views or something. But in a lifetime, if we combine all of those, after I started the channel, and that's where I'll be talking about in a second, this channel made 28,206 euros and 70 cents. I am planning on doing more new motorcycles. I'm building up connections. I sent 5 emails out yesterday to different brands as well. Nobody sent back just yet.
Why? 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 Why?
So it's a hustle. It's a hustle. It's gonna be hard to get done with other brands as I have done with BMW. But Mama didn't raise no quitter. Oh no. So yeah, in a lifetime, 28,000. Last 365 days in 2023, I made 15,498. That's almost a brand new KTM. So it's kind of good, yeah. Now when we go into the revenue tab again, here you can see the views and the RPM. The RPM is how much money you actually get paid for 1,000 views. And that is not that much. In the motorcycle world, in the car world, it goes a little bit higher. It also depends on what country my viewers are watching from. So I do have a lot of people from India. And in India, sorry for my Indian audience, but there is no money in India on advertisement. So if I get like 90% people watching my channel from India, I'm gonna go broke. It's that simple. I know, I'm really sorry, but it is what it is. Now, the bigger your channel grows, the better the advertising gets. So yeah, this should be like 3-4 euros in the near future, hopefully. So now you see, you don't really need a lot of subscribers. There are even people with 20-30,000 subscribers who are doing traveling videos with their motorcycle, and they're also making this kind of money or even more money just riding motorcycles. So that is that about my channel and how much money you can actually make on YouTube in the motorcycle world. The car world is a little bit better paid as well. On Supercar Smokey, the RPM is just a little bit higher because cars do get a little bit better paid as motorcycles when it comes to ad revenue, but that is all normal and we gotta do with that. So for the future of this channel, I want to do more motorcycle reviews, specializing in motorcycles, motorcycle reviews, pickups, do some TED riding, Trans-European Trail and whatnot. Might be doing the TED yet again somewhere this week, but it is very cold. It is -2 degrees. It has been snowing. It might get a little bit dangerous. Anyway, hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to have more YouTube intel about the channel, motorcycles and whatnot. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about YouTube. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe. See ya. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see my latest video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done over here. And if you want to become a full-time YouTuber, as you can see by my play buttons yourself, go to smokeytube.com, and over there I have the perfect all-in-one how to YouTube course. Yeah, okay.